Urban Homeschooler, where I simplify homeschooling for busy parents. In the last video, we covered the first steps you want to take in order to start homeschooling. And in this video, we will be moving on to choosing a curriculum. I'm going to break it down step by step. When it comes to choosing a curriculum, the good news is that you have options. You are not locked into a one-size-fits-all approach. Homeschooling allows you to tailor your child's education to their learning style, interests, and pace. Step 1 is to choose your homeschooling approach. Some of the different styles that you can choose from are traditional, which follows a structured curriculum with textbooks, lesson plans, and schedules. The Charlotte Mason method focuses on teaching your child as a whole person through literature, nature study, and hands-on learning. Unschooling is child-led learning based on their interests, and the eclectic approach, which is a mix of various styles customized to your child's needs. Step 2 is to decide on subjects and learning goals. Most states do require homeschooling to cover basic subjects such as math, language arts, science, history, or social studies. Beyond that, you can add any electives of your choice, such as foreign languages, art, music, and life skills. The beauty of homeschooling is that you can integrate subjects naturally. Reading historical fiction can count as both literature and history. They say history repeats itself, and reading is fundamental. Step 3 is to find the right curriculum. You can choose a pre-packaged curriculum through all-in-one programs that provide structured lesson plans. You can mix and match different resources for each subject, or you can DIY and create your own lesson plans using free and low-cost resources. Many curriculum providers offer free samples, so take advantage of these before making a purchase. Finally, keep it flexible. You don't have to follow a curriculum exactly as written. Remember that you have the freedom to adjust as needed. If your child struggles with a concept, slow down. If they grasp something quickly, move on. The goal is progress, not perfection. Think about what's important for your child to learn and set some goals. The best curriculum is one that works for your child and your family. It's okay to switch styles and try different approaches if something isn't working. If you like what you're hearing so far, be sure to go to my website, urbanhomeschooler.online, and purchase your copy of my ebook, From Chaos to Confidence, Mastering the Art of Homeschooling. It is a step-by-step guide for beginner stay-at-home parents. That's all for this video. Hit the like button if you liked it, subscribe for more, and share with a parent that you know is curious about homeschooling. Until next time.